Modules and video series How to make educational materials with OneDrive. Welcome to the OneDrive module of the Web 2.0 curricula. In this video, we will explain interesting materials for education. Learning objectives in this module are 1. Participants will be able to name and recall the functions of Google Drive as a tool for creating visual educational material. 2. Participants will be able to write questions compatible with OneDrive. 3. Participants will be able to create visual educational materials with OneDrive. 4. Participants will be able to design quizzes and surveys about OneDrive. 5. Participants will be able to analyze the results of the surveys and quizzes about OneDrive. The general functions of OneDrive. OneDrive is the place where you can store and access all your files, while docs, sheets, and slides are types of web editors, just like forms and drawings. Drive provides secure, encrypted access to your files. Files shared with you are proactively scanned and removed when malware, spam, ransomware, or phishing is detected. Plus, Drive is cloud native, eliminating the need for local files and minimizing the risks for your devices. OneDrive lets you store your files and access them from anywhere, on the web, on your hard drive, on your phone, or wherever you are. The registration is very simple. First, go to support.microsoft.com. After this, you should click on the icon that says Sign Up. Then you can choose to sign up with your email. If you choose to sign up with an email, fill in the requested information and click on Create Account. If you have an account, you should sign up with your account. In the function 1, first, to create your OneDrive account, you must go to onedrive.com and select Microsoft account. Here, you must write your email address and password. Once inside, we start to work. In the function 2, in OneDrive, you can store more than 300 files. Select a file or folder by selecting the circle in the top corner of the item. Then select a command at the top of the page. Select Upload, then Files or Upload, then Folder. Select the files or folder you want to upload. Select Open or select Folder. Save and open files in Office apps. Select File, then Save a copy, then OneDrive, to save a work file on OneDrive. Save personal files to OneDrive, Personal. Select File, then Open, and then select OneDrive, to open a file saved to OneDrive. In the function 3, in OneDrive, you can check your storage to see how much space you've used and free up some space. How can I free up space? Go to Manage Storage and sign up with the Microsoft account you use with OneDrive. You are too close to your storage limit. Select Empty Recycle Bin to permanently delete files from the recycle bin and free up space. Select What's taking up space to view large photos and files and delete the ones you no longer need. Function 4. When you use Microsoft 365 Business and save your files to OneDrive, sharing your files is the same where you work or how you work. 1. With a file opened or a file folder selected, select Share. 2. If you're working on your desktop and the file isn't saved to OneDrive, select the location where you want to upload the file. 3. Select the down arrow to choose permissions for the link you're sharing. Options include anyone, if your organization allows it, people in your organization, specific users. 4. Select Apply to save the permissions. 5. Type the name or email address for the users you want to share the file with. 6. Write a message. 7. Select Submit. 8. Or you can select Copy Link and send the link in an email or add it to a file. Function 5. Allow editing allows people who are signed with a Microsoft account to edit the files or folders they have access to. If you're sharing a folder, users with edit permissions can copy, move, edit, rename, share, and delete anything in the folder that they have access to. If you clear this checkbox, users will be able to view, copy, or download items without signing in. They can also forward the link to other people. However, they cannot make version changes in your OneDrive. Function 6. There are some actions you can take to protect your data. Create a strong password. Add security info to your Microsoft account. Phone number, email address, security question and answer. Use two-factor verification and additional security code through a phone call, a text message, or an app. Function 7. With OneDrive on your phone or tablet, your files are safe and accessible from anywhere on any device. 1. Download OneDrive from the Google Play Store. 2. Sign in with the work or school account you use for OneDrive to view and share files stored on OneDrive. 3. To add another account, such as your personal OneDrive account, tap the menu icon in Delphi for Android. Then tap Add another account. 4. If you have a mobile office like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you can also open, view, and edit your OneDrive files from there. Limitations. OneDrive has capacity limitations. OneDrive has capacity limitations, despite being a free platform that supplies millions of users. OneDrive Basic 5 GB is free. However, OneDrive 100 GB costs €2 per month. You can also choose OneDrive Personal for €7 per month and 69. You can also choose OneDrive Personal for €7 per month and €69 per year. Finally, Office 365 Home is €10 per month and €99 per year. Users of Microsoft Cloud Storage Service can now enjoy a capacity increase that makes 15 GB of free space available in the cloud. For their part, Office 365 subscribers can already see how their OneDrive space has grown up to 1 TB. Tips and tricks. Create a shared OneDrive folder by groups in the class. In each folder, the students will share, upload, and edit the documents. This will create a shared cloud for the whole class. Here finishes our OneDrive tutorial.